Meet the professional chainsaw chain that transforms your woodcutting experience with precision and power. Crafted from high-strength steel with a sleek, black, corrosion-resistant finish, this 22-inch blade features sharp cutting teeth designed for smooth, efficient cuts through any wood type. Perfect for gardeners, builders, and DIY enthusiasts, it delivers clean results, whether you're pruning branches or cutting logs. Feel the confidence of a tool that's durable, easy to install, and built to last. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert tool reviews and smart buys. Key specs: 22-inch length, 0.325-inch pitch, 0.058-inch gauge, 86 drive links.